Mama, Papa go to work?
Yes, Papa is going to work. You'll see Papa later, okay?
Love you, honey.
Love you too, babe.
I love you, babe.
Say I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa. What's that say?
I love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
No, say I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. So, workout done. And it's time to go and wake up my kids, trying to get them back into school time. Though they don't have school today until tomorrow. But they have to kind of, you know, get back used to the early morning, wake up and don't sleep in until 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I'm going to, especially Sarah, I mean, it's easier for Tyler to adjust, but for Sarah, that girl didn't fall asleep until probably 11:30 last night in her room crying. Because normally she would go to bed extra late, like 10 o'clock, 10:30. And the fact that she went to bed back into her usual time yesterday, she was up fighting that sleep. So I'm gonna wake them up right now. It's 15 minutes to 8, so not so bad today. So let's go find my babies. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. It's the first week of the new year, so hopefully it started off well for you guys, and you guys are being productive and just checking off your goals as you go along your day. So love you guys. Stick and stay. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Let's go find the rest of the family, shall we? Oh, and I worked out this morning. Workout done. Workout was good. So I'll insert a little clip here and show you guys a bit of what I did this morning, and then I'll go and find the kids. So let's go. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey.
Can you this milk?
Huh?
Can you put milk for me?
If I can what?
Milk.
If I can pick you up?
Yeah.
Come.
Wait, my socks come on.
Your socks come off. Look at it. You know you have school tomorrow.
Yes,
And you'll have to wake up earlier than this. Yeah? Come. You're tired? Well, you have to get used to it. You have school tomorrow. Come on. Let's. If you want me to carry you, how are you carrying your cover? You're just covering the couch. So you want me to carry you?
You're going to be real cute, the camera.
Come. Say good morning.
Good morning.
You're still sleeping. What do you want for breakfast?
What? Cereal without milk.
Cereal without milk. Okay. Sit, let me go get that for you. Cereal without milk. He's specific. He's very specific. Alright, let's get his bowl. Find him cereal without milk. And then this is the princess. There's no question asked when it comes on to her breakfast. Now, let's go find her.
You can open the door.
You just wanted to open the door?
Yes.
She is definitely tired. Look at her. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. She tired. I told you guys she tired, but she have to wake. If she don't wake up, then she's going to be sleeping. Are you here smiling? Look at this girl smiling. Look at her smiling. Hey, wakey, 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 wakey. Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
Come on, let's go.
Chase is really hungry.
Chase and Sky really hungry? Okay, they're here.
What is it?
It's here. Ready to go have breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, who is that? Who is that?
Tyler.
Say good morning to the face.
Wagwan. Don't take that.
Okay, let's go drink milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hurt my eye.
You hurt your eye. She don't like the light. Okay, let me turn the light down for you.
Hey guys, it's the new year.
You not
It's
tell them that already?
2023.
Every day for this year, you're gonna tell them that it's the new
Yeah,
year.
have to go back to work now. So, but I just wanted to tell you hi, enjoy the vlog, and I'm sure she's gonna show you so much feelings. So, yeah, catch you
So
guys
it's-
soon. Mwah.
Have a good day.
You too.
Go tell Papa bye-bye.
Bye.
Au revoir tout le monde.
Papa, j'ai pas eu de bisous.
Vas-y, je te fais un bisou.
Bye
juste
bye,
avant.
papa. Au revoir, papa.
Moi, ça va.
Okay, Papa, bisous.
Mouah. Allez, à tout à l'heure les enfants.
À tout à l'heure.
Tout à l'heure mon cœur.
À
Bye,
tout à
Lisa.
l'heure.
Tout à l'heure Sarah.
À tout à l'heure, papa.
Tout à l'heure Sarah.
Mama, papa go to work.
Yes, Papa is going to work. You'll see Papa later, okay?
Love you, honey.
Love you too, babe.
I love you, babe.
Say I love you, Papa.
I love you, papa. What's that say?
I love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
No, say I love you, Papa.
I love you, papa. My friend number my bottle.
It's in your room. You wanna go for it?
Yeah.
Don't do your foot like that. Go for it. Go on. She wants her number on her puzzle. Go. Stand up. Let me take this off your pants. Turn around.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
can you carry also the letters for me?
Okay, go.
Where is it?
It's in your room. Go to your room and I'll show it to you. Look, they're under there.
It's pizza.
Yes. And that's true P and that's your puzzle. And this one?
You have this one.
You want the pizza?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And that's Tyler me to help you.
You want Tyler to help you?
Tyler! Let's make a pizza.
Here, carry this one. Mom.
Guys, this is really hungry.
Sky and Chase is really hungry.
It's still lunch.
It's lunch. Okay, they're gonna make pizza.
Let's see if it works. Regarde qu'on sauce. Regarde qu'on sauce. Wow. It's a croissant. the cheese. Let's make a pepperoni. Let's make a pepperoni popcorn super party pizza. Please buy one shake the pepperoni. Pepperoni, cheese, and cucumber. Chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate. So put yellow. Put it in her. Wow, it's ready. Let's gonna cut. Let's gonna cut it. Okay.
Well, we're at that time of the day where it's lunchtime. And what my babies want for lunch. Can you guys guess?
Sandwich.
There you have it. They want sandwiches for lunch. But they want warm sandwiches. Sandwiches in the sandwich machine. So that's what I'm doing. And Sarah is already on her way eating the shredded cheese. Look at her. What are you doing? What you doing?
I eat the cheese.
And she's happy about it. She's eating cheese. She's eating the cheese.
What you doing?
I am making your sandwich. What are you doing?
Okay. Be good.
So that's one sandwich.
And put it with cheese.
Yeah. Good job. You're putting the cheese on Mama. Good job. Helping me to put the cheese. You guys are better. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. No more. Finish. Finish. No more. Eat it.
Oh, Mama! This one I can eat it. Mama!
Yeah, c'est fait, dear.
Mama!
You want bonbon?
Here!
You'll have bonbon later. You and Tita need to eat your biscuit. From Tata Mano.
Hello, my friend. Hey, baby.
Who ready for school tomorrow? Sarah, you ready for school tomorrow? Sarah?
Yes.
Ready for school tomorrow? Yes. Ty, you ready for school tomorrow? You guys, I'm just pausing from the books and listen to my kids around here playing by themselves. You hear them? You hear them?
No more goal. Zero but to win. Zero but to gagner. Zero but. Hello.
Okay, start packing up. Sarah going to take a nap. You see how you're doing here? Both of you?
But we're playing.
She's gonna take a nap now.
We're playing Pokemon.
She's gonna take a nap now, Ty.
Okay. But can I take something?
What do you mean?
But only this and Pikachu is
Go ahead.
in my room.
So do it and pack up the rest. Sarah, pack up. And fix back all the things the way they're supposed to be. Both of you.
Okay.
Look at this room now. What do you have? Be careful. Don't fall. What are you showing face? I have a very happy little helper in the kitchen right now. Okay? Dressing in a bee outfit. I have a very bee helper. And he's we're gonna get some honey tonight for dinner. What are you showing, Faves? What are we cooking? What are we cooking?
I make dinner.
You're making dinner?
Yeah.
What are we making for dinner?
I put the bottle.
Give me the bottle. You don't need the bottle. We're not gonna do that one. We're gonna do one.
Afternoon. Eat the carrot.
You're gonna eat carrot later?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
She don't like carrot. She only loves broccoli. This girl that used to eat veg, she can't stand it right now. Sarah is in a protest veg phase right now. Me and her have to fight to get her to eat Sarah broccoli that she used to love so much. There we go, veggie steaming.
Soulagé. Je me demandais où tu étais passé. Voici vos 10 livres, répondit Lou avec fierté. Je les ai tous retrouvés.
C'est night night.
Décidément, tu es.
Turn on the small light. Go ahead and do that.
L'écureuil remettait les 10 livres à la place. Il y eut comme un gros souffle. À demain. Allez, tu vas dans le lit pour dire la prière? Tu as fait le pipi?